Hello, in this video I want to show you how to record screen on VIVO IQOO Z8. And to do this, first we'll need to swipe our finger down from top of the screen and then swipe down again. Here, move to the right and find record screen. Here it should be by default. If not, then you need to edit your panel with this pen button and add a screen recording. Now when we click on it, we need to accept terms and conditions, but here we'll be able to display our touch trajectory, sorry for that. Then we can choose if we can record a sound with system audio, microphone audio, or both of them, or none. There's image quality, and you can change between high and low. Recording in progress, do not disturb. That means when you enable it, you'll enter do not disturb mode automatically when you begin a screen recording. Now to finally start, click on start screen recording. You'll see this pop up. Here you can pause or resume a video recording. You can also click on this square button to save your recording in your gallery. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.